Hey everyone! Do you want to downgrade or roll back iOS on any iPhone's device without losing any data? How do you do that? We will see live step by step with real demonstrations. By mistakenly or deliberately, you have updated with the latest beta version iOS 26 and it has a stuck on an Apple logo or rebooting again and again, or maybe you would like to roll backs quickly without losing data. And how do you do that? We will see. So firstly, check it out. Automatically your iPhone is recommending to a downgrade or not, and if it is not, then I will demonstrate to you how you easily downgrade it, guys. Right now, tap on a setting to just I would like to show you here. Let's see. Tap on a software update and we can see here it's up to date, guys, and that is 26.5. We don't have any opportunity to a downgrade automatically by especially iPhone. So what we will do, guys, here now, we'll go for an administration, that is a Requested ReiBoot tool. Especially this tool has been designed to fix or repair 150 issues related to a iPhone, iPad, iPod Touch, Apple TV, like issues especially, guys, your device is stuck on an Apple logo, rebooting again and again, black screen is coming. So here there are a lot of the feature, but we would like to come with especially a downgrade iOS, but you can with one click exit and enter recovery mode. You can reset your iPhones within one click, guys, and see data backup, restoration. Of course, there is options and downgrade and upgrade, and here is a more feature that we can see here. Yes, you can upgrade and downgrade macOS error 4013 and error also you can 1110. You can repair toolbox, you can repair macOS system issues, you can unlock iOS screens and reset macOS and anti-recovery data. That is also especially. But right now my concern is here that we would like to downgrade. So just we will, here is the upgrade option, guys. We can see here, if we click on an upgrade, there are a lot of the especially beta version that has been recommended here to see directly upgrade. And if you would like to especially downgrade, let's see, we will click on here and now that we can see it has recommended, that is a iOS 26.4.1 especially here, and currently it is working 26.5. and when we reached on a 26.4.1, maybe especially we will have the one more opportunity if we do the once again and then. So right now my concern is that to downgrade, so just we will insert to a downgrade, and let's see here it has started to quickly downgrade. So it's verifying the firmware, and thereupon we will see that how easily this would be especially downgraded, guys. So to know more detail about this tool, of course you can visit on this website, and let's see, you can visit on this website, that's the Requested ReiBoot tools especially, and see here Windows, yes, especially, and for MacBook also there is, and you can go for Chromebooks, you can go for Android, free you can download, and that a lot of the tool especially has been designed here, but we had required this tool, so just we had to download it, and we are trying to fix this right now. That is 26.5 to 26.4 we are reaching now. So without losing any data, you can downgrade it. Now that we can see, guys, here successfully we have downgraded, and this downgrade completed messages especially here on these tools. Now we will wait for officially complete the reboot and respond. The further we will check it out that what's iOS. Now it's going to be a functional on it. Now see guys, here we'll go to start and we can check it out that what's iOS is currently working. So just we will come in a general to of course software update, and we can see 26.4.1 iOS is currently working. So this is all about guys in this video tutorial.